Lady Fizza, an extraordinary figure in Islamic history, served the family of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and left an indelible mark with her devotion and courage. Originally from Ethiopia, Lady Fizza was brought to serve in the household of Hazrat Fatima and Imam Ali. Despite her position, she was treated with utmost respect and love, embodying the Islamic values of equality and humanity. Lady Fizza's dedication to the Ahlulbayt was unwavering. She shared duties equally with Hazrat Fatima, emphasizing the spirit of cooperation and humility within the household. During the tragic events of Karbala, Lady Fizza stood alongside the family of Imam Hussein. Her strength and resolve were evident as she faced immense hardships, including the brutal journey from Karbala to Kufa and then to Damascus.